Good morning, Balers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Sage Wright.
And I'm Carter Campbell.
Patrick Lencioni is an American author of books on business management, particularly in relationship to team management. He's best known as the author of The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, a popular business fable that explores work team dynamics and offers solutions to help teams perform better.
He wrote, "Remember, teamwork begins by building trust, and the only way to do that is to overcome our need for invulnerability."
Join Mecca Club every Thursday during lunch in room 349. This year, we are excited to host our first fundraiser car show on Sunday, October 8th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Baler Alley. Interested in showing your car? Use the QR code and sign up. For more information, contact any club officer or Ms. Torres.
The GSA Club is celebrating 19 years on the Hollister High School campus. GSA will meet on Tuesdays at lunch in Miss Conklin's new room, room 365.
Celebrate Latino Heritage Month with Spirit Week this week. Monday is Soccer Jersey Day. Tuesday is Ranchero Day. Wednesday is Latino Traditional Clothes. Thursday is Loteria Character Day. And Friday is Latinos in Action Day. So wear white on Friday.
Hey, I have a great riddle.
Really?
Yeah, it bridges social science and biological science.
All right, let's hear it.
What do a tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common?
I have no idea.
They're both parasites.
That was genius. All right.
Students in... Wait. Is that my Students interested in trying out for girls soccer need to come to a mandatory meeting in room 371. See you there.
Adjusting to be a freshman can be tough. Check out the Wellness Center HST series on becoming a freshman. Baler Wellness Center has some new guidelines on 15-minute wellness breaks, check-ins, and services. Be sure you know what these are.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers!